All right, here you're given a table, and you want to find the linear equation to this table. Yes, we can find the slope by doing the pattern, if you're a pattern person, and you can find your y-intercept the same way that we've done before, and find your slope and y-intercept, and you're done. However, I'm going to show you a more logical explanation for it, which is going through that point-slope form to get to my final answer. So just like we did for graphs, we're going to find slope. So I pick 2 points, any 2 points on my table. Let's go with these two. They're the smaller ones, and yes, they have negatives, but not horrible. -2, 4, 2, -2. We stack them. We're going to subtract them. -2 minus 2 is -4. 4 minus -2 is 6. Slide him down here. Here's my fraction. Now I got to simplify if I can. I know there's going to be a negative in the front. And that simplified is 3/2. Okay? Had you done your pattern, you would have seen that the change in these two is -6. The change in these two is +4. And then -6 over 4 is -3/2. However you do it, whatever you want to do. All right, so next we are going to use point slope. To move on from there. Again, remember, point slope is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. I am going to pick a point, any point, from my table. Again, I'm probably going to go with the easier looking one. I like 2, -2. And I'm going to use that in my equation right here, where this is x and this is y, actually x1, y1. So that's y minus y1, which is -2, equals m is my slope, -3/2, parentheses x minus +2. Yeah, those are different pinks. You can't really tell, but there you are. All right, while this is not incorrect, we do want to make it a little prettier. And what I mean by that is we don't normally see two signs next to each other like that, whether it's plus or minus, plus plus, or negative minus, minus negative. So we got to prettify that, make it pretty. So the prettier version of that is just y plus 2 equals -3/2, x minus 2. So this was the only sign to change because that's the only place that it has minus and negative. This one just has a minus. So that stayed the same. So this is the point slope form of this equation. But normally they want us to keep going and actually write it in slope intercept form. All right, so for slope intercept form, we take my number outside the parentheses, in this case -3/2, and distribute to everything on the inside. So -3/2 times x. Does this help? Whoa. I was trying to see if you could see the difference in pinks, not really. Is -3/2 x. And then -3/2 times -2 is going to be a positive 3. Okay. Bring everything else down. Y plus 2 equals negative 3/2 x plus 3. And then I take away 2 from both sides. So I am left with y equals negative 3/2 x plus 1 as my equation in slope-intercept form. Again, this one up here is point-slope form. We're going to do one more example and then we are done.